Linking your bank account to Uber allows for seamless payment for rides and deliveries. Follow these steps to set up your bank account in the Uber app. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you do not have the app, download it from your device's App Store. Step 2. Access payment settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Payment or Wallet to access your payment settings. Step 3. Add a payment method. In the payment settings, look for an option to add payment method or add bank account. Select this option to begin linking your bank account. Step 4. Enter bank account details. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information. This typically includes your account number, routing number, and any other required details. Ensure the information is accurate to avoid issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank account details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. Now you can enjoy the convenience of using your bank account for Uber payments. If you encounter any issues, consult Uber's help section or customer support for assistance.